These days, of course, aminin natin, marami sa atin interested in lives of celebrities.
Yes.
Bloggers, vloggers, whether Hollywood or local. And we get our news from social media.
Yes, actually, number one source of information na daw ngayon is social media.
I'm not surprised.
Oo, diba?
Even podcasts are on the rise. A lot of things are, found online. But even nga going Hollywood naman, Justin Bieber and Hailey Bieber.
Oh,
May rumors na,
hiwalay na.
rumors.
Oh, I've heard. Pero totoo ba?
And yun nga yung
Nalungkot?
laging tanong diba? Pag may bagong chismis.
Totoo ba?
Totoo ba?
Oo. Tsaka nabubuhay po ang mga group chat pag may bagong chismis.
Oo. Meron talagang marites. Meron tayong mga marites group, no?
Yes.
Speaking of, are we in that era na we air out our relationship problems and quote-unquote dirty laundry on social media? How do you feel about that?
Well, not all people are like that. Kasi meron din talagang pinipili lang nila. Filtered yung mga sinashare nila.
And of course, mas highlighted yung celebrities kasi sila naman yung malaking following. For a private person, parang, okay, even if you post something,
Parang yung iba kiber. Parang may ganon.
Diba?
Pero pag may social media following ka na, may mga pagkakataon na may fina-follow tayo na, dapat dito shinare O, maging specific na ako. Nung time na nag-away si Andy at Philmar, sa utak ko, magkakaayos sila Dapat di nag-post si Andy. Yun agad pumasok sa utak ko nun.
but when we are in a tight situation, vulnerable situation, angry, emotional situation, have we gotten to that era na we turn to social media to
Vent out?
To vent? Is it to vent? Do you personally vent on social media?
Yes, there are times. Lalo pa nung mga bagets days ko, papi, as in, ang lala talaga.
Relationship-wise to? Or are you venting?
Well, hindi naman
Kasi
ako
meron
umabot sa
may
point
government
na
venting, may
Yes.
problem venting, may pothole
government venting
venting.
malala ako, aminado po ako dyan. But yung sa relationship, I remember, meron ako mga moments na mafe-feel mo talaga na, uy, nag-away. Yung mga pa-under ka na quotable quotes.
Ako ginagawa ko yan nung Twitter days.
Ako Facebook talaga
Circa 2014.
Oo. Yan. Yung mga,
Diba, mapaparinig ka.
Balikan mo. Tignan mo yung Facebook memories mo. Tapos check niyo yung mga status niyo. Magki-cringe kayo. Tapos minsan sasabihin ko doon sa mga friends ko, shit, shinare ko yan.
Oo.
Pinost ko yun.
Oo.
Kasi parang syempre pag nagkakaedad ka, mas may wisdom ka na Mas naiisip mo na kung ano ang dapat na ginagawa mo.
But I think it depends on the person also if
Hindi lahat ng tao may wisdom.
hindi, totoo rin
Wala
yun.
sa edad.
Wala sa edad. Wisdom tsaka maturity also.
True, agree.
Is it seeking validation? Na okay, ito yung nangyari, tama ka. Whether, ang favorite ko sa mga ganyan, yung mga may utang. Diba? Tapos pinapost nila, eto may utang sa akin to.
Minsan nakatag talaga yung utang. Minsan naman magpapahapyaw. I remember I saw the post of McCoy Dobbs just recently a few days ago.
I didn't catch that.
May utang sa kanya yung isang naka-work niya na brand.
Okay.
And then ginamit niya parang nakasalitang Becky.
Okay.
Tapos ang tagal na siyang di nababayaran. Mga 2 years na yata.
Wow.
Tapos after nung post na yun, nagparamdam. Parang magbabayad na. Parang may ganyan. So, yun, nag-vent siya siguro dahil feeling ko, ako to. Pwedeng hindi ito yung na-feel ni McCoy Dobbs. Baka na-frustrated lang talaga siya. Sinasabi niya kasi doon, parang kailangan ko rin ng pera ang sugal magbayad. Ano mga sis, illegal ko na ba to? May mga ganyan. Pero hindi niya pinangalanan kung sino. Pero nagbigay siya ng hint na air freshener brand? Not sure, parang ganyan.
Out of frustration
kasi, hello, ikaw papi, 2 years mo nang sinisingil, tapos sinededma ka.
And also, na parang, with all due respect, you put in the work.
Tapos na.
And I think people don't have to realize more than money.
More than the money.
Yeah, it signifies the hard work somebody puts in. Whatever job you're doing, whether you're a clerk, you're a influencer, you're a celebrity, you're a doctor, you're a lawyer, kung ano man
kahit
profession mo,
trabaho.
lahat tayo nagtatrabaho.
True.
Trabaho takes your time, takes effort, blood, sweat, and tears. And let's say even if you lend money to someone,
Yan na,
And
utang.
sa Pilipinas, alam na, I'm not saying this dahil Bombay ako. Sinishare ko
At
lang
may pa
talaga.
5-6 ka.
Hindi.
Ikaw na nanguna. Alam mo, papasok ko eh.
Oo, lahat tayo, we work hard for our money. And,
Ay, talaga ba? Lahat tayo?
well, may name tayo, pero off-air na lang, no? But, ito nga yung minsan, yung respect mo for that person. Let's say, humiram ka ng pera sa isang tao. This person worked hard for that 50,000, 20,000.
Tapos, ang ganda nung sinasabi mo kasi merong mga tao pag feeling nila, si Samo IG naman yan, di ko nababayaran.
Correct.
Mapera yan. Nakaka-bad trip yung ganun.
Correct. Mayaman naman yan.
May pera
Hindi niya
naman yan.
kailangan
Hindi
to.
yun eh. Yung
It's the
palabra de
principle-
honor.
It's the principle
It's your words na magbabayad ako sa kinsenas tas di mo ginawa. And that's why I get it why some people vent out. Mapa-social media man yan or saan. But let's be specific. Yung pag-post sa social media, mapautang, about the relationship. I
Or
mean,
whatever thing you are probably going through in life.
okay, here's the thing. Ako, for me, basta bago siguro natin i-post, lalo pa nasa peak tayo ng emotions natin, baka dapat tanungin mo muna yung sarili mo, gusto ko ba talagang i-post to? Anong kahihinatnan pag pinost ko to? Or cool down muna bago ko mag-decide if I'll post this?
I mentioned this before in our previous episode na I'm lucky that I have a wife who always keeps me grounded and
Always tells you,
o kaya
Sam, di okay.
minsan nga na-post ko na, sabi niya,
take it down.
baba mo yan.
Oh.
Kasi sabi niya, bukas, basahin mo yan, hindi mo na magugustuhan yung pinost mo. It's not gonna be the same thing. But I like what you said, that
Cool down muna.
cool down muna, keep yourself in check.
Oo.
But in the heat of the moment, syempre, galit na galit ka. So gusto mo talaga ilabas. And it also helps na may validation from other people. Sabi na,
Tsaka
your friends would react na, ay, alam mo, tama ka.
Yes.
Tama ka, gago
I
tong
feel
ano na to.
you. May mga
Oo,
ganon. Or
I
what
understand.
happened? Sometimes kasi ganun lang. Gusto mo lang may kumamusta sa'yo. Di ba? May
Correct.
mga ganon. Or minsan, meron naman mga nagpo-post. Halimbawa, hindi celebrity. Ako, ang reason ko before, kaya ako ma-post, gusto ko makita talaga ni Mike na, uy, kasalanan mo, mag-sorry ka. Parang
Wow.
ganyan. Para sa partner talaga. May mga ganon.
So
kasi hindi ko
meron kang ganun. May
Yes.
ano ka.
Or sometimes yung mga parang pag nag-e-emote ako, tama. Yung, gusto ko lang i-validate na
Diba?
tama yung nafe-feel mo. Or gusto ko lang may magsabi na, hey, feel good. May mga ganun tayo minsan eh. Feel better.
Oo.
Get well soon. Mga ganyan.
As a matter of fact, I remember we had this topic before me and sa Boys Night Out pa. Posting na, di ba, pag na-hospital ka, meron kang medical tag. Yun po-post mo. Pero hindi mo sabihin kung ano nangyari sa'yo.
Correct.
Yun lang
Meron
yung post mo.
meron pa pa-quiz sa mga followers mo.
Alam mo lang na check-in ka.
What happened?
Na-admit. Check-in pala pang hotel.
Anong check-in? Puro
Admit.
motel nasa utak mo eh.
Hindi,
Porque Valentine's Day.
Na-admit. Sa hospital, admit pala, hindi check-in.
Oo, check. Admit.
Diba? Pero you don't tell people what happened to you.
Because you
just show the post na, I'm in the hospital.
Why did you post it? You want people to say what happened? You want them to care for you?
You were
Well,
looking
I
for
don't
that.
see anything
It
wrong
is that.
with it.
It is probably you looking for that it's not validation.
Is there
Somebody-
something wrong with it?
sympathy, I guess. Na parang may magtanong sa'yo, ano nangyari? Ba't ka nasa hospital?
Yun na nga, kasama
Kasi
din.
pwede mo naman isama sa post, in the hospital for dengue. Yara. Boom. Tapos ang kwento, get well soon.
Pero minsan kasi
Pero hindi. Meron tayong post na hospital band lang.
Oo,
Oh.
paandar, no?
Mo, di
Or
ba
minsan
yung paandar, may
yung
paandar,
kandila, yung papalitan na lang bigla, tapos hindi mo nga, yung nasa joke ni Alex yun eh, no? Yung sa profile picture sa Facebook, bigla ka na lang magpapalit ng kandila,
Oo.
pero di mo sinabi kung sino yung namatay. So ang gagawin daw, pupunta ka sa Facebook profile ng tao na yon, i-check mo sino ang nawala talaga.
And ilang minutes ang oras na nasasayang. Kasi nag-investigate ka pa.
Sana direkta na.
Diba? Ngayon, diba, let's say, there are a lot of, some of our favorite issues are na kumalat, I guess yung Catherine Daniel, diba? Siyempre, research ka ano nangyari.
Oo, Catherine Daniel.
Sino may kasalanan? May third
Because they
party
both
pa.
posted. Nahiwalay na sila. Nag-thank you sila sa isa't
Are
isa.
we in that era na pag nag-break, kailangan mag-post ng thank you?
I think for those people like them, they owe it to their fans. Minsan kailangan sa kanila mismo manggaling na wala na talaga. Kaysa mag-assume pa yung iba. Yung sinasabi natin kanina, nag-post ka nung parang band-aid sa ospital. O ito sila na nagsabi na hiwalay kami.
Yung parang Justin Bieber and Hailey, I think nagka-rumors because
Nag-unfollowan?
nag-unfollowan.
Sino una nag-unfollow?
Yun ang hindi ko alam. Basta malalaman mo kasi they don't follow each other
Tapos dyan
anymore.
mo malalaman kung mag-jowa pa pagka nag-unfollowan na. Or hindi. Oo.
Tapos lahat may speculations. Ano
Dyan,
nangyari?
sa social media na rin natin nakikita kung friends pa ba sila ganito, hindi na ba sila friends, kasi nga may unfollowan na nagaganap.
Correct. I think, sa akin kasi, personally, the less people know, the less problems you have.
Agree.
And I've been very vocal about that, even let's say, not just with status, relationships, or whatever, even material things. Sometimes it's better to keep things to yourself because not everybody who follows you or who is a friend is actually happy for your success.
Ayo, may mga nag-aambang dyan na matawa na buti nga. Di ba?
Or meron din people who would be jealous
Yeah,
of
your
what you have.
success. Yeah.
No? They are, hindi naman siguro na buti nga sa'yo. Hindi ganun, pero parang, gago to parang they can't accept.
Na mas mataas ka na
Yes.
sa kanila. Mas mayaman ka na.
Or you just being
Successful
happier.
ka or mas happy ka. True.
I know people that have shifted, let's say, tumira na sa ibang lugar, ganyan. And are starting to live a quiet life. Ang dami pa nilang bashers. Para ganito kasi yan. But eventually, it dies down. Kasi nga, they don't reply. They don't post anything anymore. And I've been hearing a lot more people really taking time off from social media. Unless trabaho talaga nila.
Kung part talaga yun ng buhay nila or ng ginagawa nila or bread and butter nila yun.
Kasi nga, it really sucks you in. Aminin natin. I don't know bakit as human beings wired tayo na ganun. Na gusto natin malaman kung ano nangyayari sa buhay ng ibang
Kasi
tao.
innate talaga yung chismosa tayo eh. Parang curious tayo to find out what's happening sa buhay ng ibang tao. Pero I think we have discussed this before na hindi nga lahat ng nakikita natin sa social media totoo. So, probably yung kinaiinggitan mo, baka mas masaya pa naman talaga yung buhay mo sa kanya.
Correct.
Pwedeng ganun.
There was a study that came out na nabasa ko na parang people who don't
Post a lot.
relationship couples that don't post as much.
Relationship-wise.
About their relationship are actually happier.
Mas okay pa.
Oo.
Oo.
Is it because do you think that people who post need to have that front na eto
Okay
kami.
tayo.
Eto meron ako. Eto yung status ko.
I can't say it's 100% accurate, pero feeling ko kasi...
We talked about in one of our episodes the mga pasim flex, di ba? Mga subtle flex.
Yes. Simpleng yabang.
Simpleng yabang.
Oo. Or simpleng flex ng relationship.
Not just that. Material relationship.
Things or
diba?
anything. Balikan natin kanina yung pinag-uusapan natin na nandun na ba tayo sa era na lahat ng nangyayari pinopost natin. Well, not all people are like that. Naniniwala ako mas marami pa rin talaga yung pili at filtered yung mga pinopost. And sana ganun tayo lahat. No? Kasi I'm sure ako dumaan din ako sa era na lahat gusto ko talaga paalam sa mundo. Pero nandito na naman tayo sa era na may mga bagay pala na dapat sa akin lang.
Or
Hindi pala dapat lahat alam nila.
Oo.
Para curious din sila sa'yo. May ganun din eh, di ba?
Oo
Kasi kung
naman.
lahat na binuyang-yang mo, ano pang ikaka-curious sa'yo ng tao?
sino magaling sa ganyan?
Sino?
Na sikat? Na local?
Oo.
Si Bamboo.
Oh yeah.
Pansin mo?
Sarah Geronimo.
Exactly, di ba?
Sarah Geronimo.
With Hardy Post, Bamboo with Hardy Post,
Oo.
di ba? Pero everybody's like, sobrang rockstar, sobrang sikat. Pero nobody knows his life, his family. Di ba? Kilala mo
Pero
ba?
he has social media, right?
Yeah,
But
yeah.
there are people
Promote lang niya naman.
na wala talagang social media at all. Because for them, pag walang social media, walang problema. Because, perfect example, Ted Filon.
No social
No
media.
social media at all.
Did you ever ask him why?
Yes, I asked him
Okay.
and he said,
Even Facebook wala?
because he knows na may mga taong, may bashers.
Of course.
No, for sure, may mga nagpaparating sa kanya na, okay, may sinabi kang ganito, ito yung mga sinasabi ng tao about you. Para sa kanya, no social media, no problem. Kung ano yung hindi niya alam, hindi niya iisipin. Tsaka bakit parang yun nga yung sinasabi niya pa ulit-ulit, bakit ba ginagawa niyo yan? Bakit ba pinopost niyo yan? Bakit pinapaalam niyo sa tao yung mga ginagawa
Yun
niyo?
nga. Yun nga.
Ako naman ang tinanong niya pabalik.
Ano ba?
Binalik niya sa akin yung tanong. I mean, sabi ko, ba't wala kang social media?
What is social media for you? What is your Facebook account for you? What is your Instagram account for you?
Okay. Ang ganda ng tanong mo. YouTube for me, I save all the videos of my kids.
Okay.
Of the special moments of our lives. Yun yung YouTube para sa akin.
And you have pretty
Ngayon,
long, mahaba yung mga YouTube
mahaba yung mga YouTube videos
oh.
ko. Pag tinignan nyo, it's about my family talaga.
Oh, correct.
So, puro sa mga bata yan. Para pag bumalik ako sa mga 5 years ago, makikita ko na, uy, yun yung itsura ng anak ko. Pang-save siya ng memory dahil wala tayong pambayad ng monthly. Charing.
Oh. Hindi, totoo.
Ngayon, Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, for me is part of my job.
Okay.
So, aaminin ko sa inyo, there are times na pwedeng hindi na ako mag-post but I have to do it because it's part of my job. May mga ganong day. So, kailangan gawin mo parte yan ng trabaho mo, Gets mo ba na,
If you are not paid to post, would you still be posting?
Yes. Kasi part nga, kasama yun sa strategy ng pagiging...
Relevant.
Hindi lang yon. I mean, kailangan mo makuha yung mga engagements that you have
Correct.
with your followers.
right.
Kasi kung puro paid naman yung makikita nila dyan, tatama rin naman sila sa'yo. And those people who follow you, alam nila kung ano ang paid at hindi, mga V. Right?
Oh.
So, minsan magpo-post ka rin talaga ng totoong nangyayari about you. Pero kung mapapansin nyo, pag tinignan nyo yung Instagram ko, even my TikTok, hindi masyadong real-time yung posting ng mga nasa feed. Meron akong video na in-upload just 2 days ago. Tawan-tawa ako. From 2 months pa. Or from a month ago. Tapos sinabi ko, tawan-tawa ako, minessage ko si Cass, yung editor ko, sabi ko, di ko pa napopost pala to.
May ganun ako. May mga si Kaz, may mga video sa akin na from December pa.
Diba? Parang, huy, ba't di ko yun na-post?
Oo.
So, well, natutuwa naman ako na gano'n na ako kasi ibig sabihin, wala na ako dun sa era na kailangan everyday. Kailangan alam nila lahat to.
Lumalabas. Oh.
Okay? Pero, kung ako tatanungin, I like social media, pero kung may chance tayo bumalik dun sa era, na wala kung sakali.
Would you?
Yes. Mas
You
gusto
would go
ko
back to
yun.
the time na
pag radyo lang, di mo alam kung ano yung mukha ng taong pinapakinggan mo. Parang ganito, pag Spotify, podcast, boses lang namin, and then you will wonder kung ano itsura ni na Sam at Chacha. Di ba? Yung curiosity nawawala because di ba kasi alam na
everything's
natin
all out.
eh.
Everything's all nakalatag lahat.
Ikaw,
everything.
for you, what is social media for you?
For me, it's more of, I'd have to agree, it's becoming more of like a marketing tool.
Yes.
Diba?
To sell ourselves.
So yeah, as a personality and whatnot, it is. But ako kasi mahilig magpatawa.
Yan.
No?
Oh, inaabangan ko yung mga post mo na yun.
Malamang yung mga content ko, it's more of that.
Yeah.
My personal life, I guess with
But I also wanna see kung ano ginagawa
30-40%
mo.
nandyan, no?
True.
Pero marami, I guess you'd see a lot of skits. Inaasar ka
A
ng
lot of
asawa
your
ko.
hosting duties.
Hosting duties are there. Of course, that's their
Right.
way to contact me, ganyan,
True.
diba? And see like, let's say, ako ba yung bagay sa event nila? Diba? Am I the right one for their corporate show, for their wedding? It's a very powerful tool.
It is.
No? But I'm also being very careful of the time I spend
On
on
social media.
Oo. Kasi minsan, parang lumilipas yung oras na parang, shit,
Wala ka na nagawa.
wala ka na nagawa.
Oo. Ano ka na lang, lurk.
Lurk ka lang ng
As a
lurk
lurker ka na lang.
ng mga tao na, okay, diba, so what?
Oh.
So I think na there was one article I also read na imagine if social media also had a closing time.
Oy, I love...
Like a restaurant. Sabihin natin, 7 p.m. Tak!
Can we
Okay,
do
sarado
that?
muna ang Instagram, sarado muna ang TikTok. Open ulit kami bukas ng 6 a.m.
Pwede ba yun?
Imagine a
In
life
real
like
life?
that.
Can
I
we
would
do that?
actually like that. Kung may gano'n na, okay, today wala muna, tawag dito, National Mother's Day, or let's say,
Okay. Okay, perfect example. Christmas Day, walang Facebook today. Enjoy
sorry,
your time
sarado.
with your family.
Sorry, sarado kami today.
Correct.
I have a
Oo.
friend in Australia who just posted this yesterday that they ate in this high-end steakhouse. And let me just look for it. I'll tell you the rules of the steakhouse. And I found it very interesting, no? Let me read
Where in
that.
Australia?
Melbourne to. No?
Ooh!
Ito ang kanyang...
Kung saan mataas po ang work-life balance dyan
Oo.
sa lugar na yun.
Correct. Ito ang rules ng steakhouse na to. Number 1, they have 7 rules. Number 1, we serve our house wine in tumblers. Usually, sosyalan, di ba? Tumbler ang pawain ng restaurant.
Talagang parang gusto kang lasingin.
Which I like.
Yun ang nafe-feel ko.
Which I like. You know, it's something different. I think every
Can we
shop...
say the name of the restaurant?
Sige.
Sige.
It is...
Para sa mga listeners natin, baka nasa Australia or pupunta ng Australia.
Bisteca.
Okay, Bisteca. In Melbourne.
Rule number 2, steak is only served in a dining room. Cooked to medium rare. So wag na kayo
Lahat,
magtanong
wala na.
well done.
Medium rare lahat.
But once again, it's a restaurant strategy, diba? Eto, interesting. It gets interesting sa number 3. Rule number 3 of our restaurant. No phones in the dining room.
I love it. So, iniiwan?
Iniiwan. Pros and cons, yung mga food vlogger, walang mga, oh my God, ito yung steak na kinain namin. Diba? Some people love to do that. I sometimes do that.
May
I'm
restaurant na ba na ganyan dito sa Pinas?
I haven't. Kaya nga sabi ko,
Kasi I wanna try.
Diba?
Tayo kaya tayo.
No
Parang
phones.
magandang business.
No phones. Meron silang parang lounge where people have drinks and whatnot.
Wow.
Pwede ang phones doon. But once you enter the dining room, no phones. Focus on the food and who you're talking to.
So, wala at all picture dun sa loob ng dining area ng restaurant na yan.
Pero they
How was
say
the
it's
experience?
one of
Ano
the
sabi
best.
ng friend mo?
Everybody says it's one of the best steakhouses in the
Oh, I
world.
wanna try.
And now you're so curious.
I wanna try.
Kasi wala.
See, that's what I'm saying. That's what I am saying. Curiosity. Nawawala na sa mga tao because we know everything about the people we follow.
Rule number 5, martinis are served cold, dry, and strong. Number 6, please leave your troubles and phones outside.
Yan na.
Number 7, the only bitterness allowed can be inside your glass. Mga bitters.
Oh, may ganun.
Very interesting. I mean, on their official page, I could see may mga pictures ng mga steak nila. But I found it, this was just yesterday, I found it very interesting na meron palang ganun. Especially the rule na leave
No
your phones. So on that note, I don't have kids, but I want to ask you, ano ang rules nyo sa bahay? No phones on the table?
That's a good question. No phones during dinner. Lunch. Basta pag nasa table na kami.
Okay.
Bawal mag-phone. And ako yung tipo ng nanay na naninita ko talaga ng bongga. Na tipong pag napapansin ko na parang di bumababa yung panganay ko, di lumalabas sa
I'm sure siya
kwarto.
yung medyo mas babae. Siya yung babad.
Siya
lang naman
talaga
phone.
yung may phone na. Pero alam mo ko ilang taon siya when she had her first phone tsaka Facebook? 13 years old.
Is that, do you think
I'm not sure if it's the right age because I know people na mas maaga pa eh.
Correct.
13, tama. 13 years old siya. No, hindi 13. I'm sorry. 10 years old doon nagkaroon siya ng phone and then 13 nagkaroon ng Facebook. Pero meron siyang Instagram account that I handle.
Ikaw nag-handle.
Ako nag-handle. Even up to now, I still open yung Instagram ng anak ko. You know what's good with her?
Okay.
Hindi ko alam kung saan niya nakuha to. But, nung isang araw, kausap ko siya, tapos sabi ko sa kanya, may tinag akong photo sa'yo, nakita mo?
Okay.
Ay, mommy, tinanggal ko yung Instagram ko. I mean, what do you mean tinanggal? Inalis niya yung app mismo. There are times na pag nafe-feel daw niya, sobra na siya sa social media, inaalis niya yung mismong app, binubura niya yung mismong app, not the account. Let's say, napapasobra ako ng Instagram, napapasobra ako ng TikTok, hindi ko sinasabi
Parang
to.
cleansing.
Siya mismo on her own. Inaalis niya yung app pag feeling niya sobra siya sa social media.
We've done a lot of episodes na diba nag-compare tayo ng screen time.
Oo.
Dami nating ginawang ganun.
Oo.
No? But yun nga parang imagine a world na
Without social media.
hindi naman without. I think
May
it's
closing
already,
time.
It's already part of our life, a part of our culture.
Nandiyan na talaga yung parang forever na siyang nandyan, ano?
But how important is keeping up to date with compared to like spending dinner with your loved ones, your family. So what if you close it at 7 and reopen at 6?
And during weekends, day off din sila.
Pwede. Diba? I mean, it's really up to you to set your boundaries. You'd know yourself better. You'd know how much it's already sucking you in and how much time you're spending on it. Are you being less effective as a person? Are you being less effective as a friend? because masyado ka nang babad. And going back to where we started on this episode, it's really about also posting responsibly.
Yeah,
Diba?
posting responsibly.
Airing out your dirty laundry, your whatever you have, diba?
Na pinagpipiestahan ng lahat.
Diba? Is that what you really want?
That's a
Some
good
people
question.
thrive. Some people thrive on that. Some people thrive on the fame, the popularity, the likes. Some people are the opposite, or some people get a taste of it, and then after that, ayaw na nila.
Doon na maglalay
Like you
low.
said, I'm sure Ted Filon, if he had an account, ang daming followers yan instantly.
I'm
He
sure.
would have
I'm sure.
easily so many followers.
Yeah.
But maybe
That's his choice.
maybe
and
his life is, okay, ginagawa ko na to for a living.
I want to stay out of it.
Correct. When I
And
have my time, gusto ko ako. Ayoko nam, and there are a lot of Hollywood celebrities already doing that. I'll do it when I'm online, but during my private time,
It's
my private time. Wala akong social media. Kasi akin na to. I give so much as an actor to you guys. Watch my movies, watch my this and that. But my private life is mine. I'm not gonna post about it. Kasi
Ganda, no?
masyado na exposed yung buhay ko. But that's of course at a Hollywood level.
And I think depende rin talaga sa tao. Tama yung sinasabi mo. Kasi yung issue na I'm sure kung gumawa ng social media account sa Sir Ted, may instant following agad eh.
Of course.
Pwede niyang gawin yung ginagawa rin ng iba na nagvo-vlog na and they make a living out of it bukod pa dun sa kinikita niya na dito. But when I ask him why, because that's just not me. Yun yung sinabi niya, that's not me. It's not who I am. Hindi ako ma-share ng mga detalye sa buhay ko. 'Di ba? Nakikita ako ng tao, naririnig ako ng tao, pero ito lang yung alam nila sa akin.
Same with Bamboo.
Same.
Gusto mo panoorin, gusto mo
it's-
makinig. Yung songs ko nasa Spotify, pakinggan mo. Diba? Now,
And there are people who are like that. Very private. Nirespeto natin pareho yung mga ganon at yung mga gusto rin mag-share naman ng buhay nila sa social media.
Correct.
But at the end of the day, again, babalik tayo dun sa napag-usapan na rin namin ni Sam before you share anything, before you post anything online, ask yourself, why am I posting this? Para saan? Para kanino? Dapat ba talaga i-post ko o pwedeng hindi na to?
and if you post and you don't get the likes that you want,
It's
it's
okay.
okay.
It's okay.
It doesn't make you less of a person.
Yes, amen.
Doesn't make you not relevant.
Uh-huh.
Doesn't make you not a good person, not a successful person.
Hindi yun ang batayan ng pagkatao mo.
Hindi yan yung batayan ng pagkatao mo. No? So, there will be good days, there will be bad days. It's just a matter of, I think, really balance. Balance na lahat. No? Social media, what you post, what you don't post. At the end of the day, and as much as when you, diba sinasabi natin sa love, when you love someone, save love for yourself. Don't also post everything. Save something for yourself.
Love it.
Diba? A quiet life is also a peaceful life.